Hola chicas, so we're just going to have a look at the comprehension on Página 139, page 139. Just before I started, thanks for anybody who sent in the emails about your life during la vida durante la cuarentena, life during the quarantine. So if you haven't got that done, please send it in to me. We're just going to have a look at this comprehension. Correo electrónico a un amigo amigo, so an email to a friend or friend, okay? So I just want you to read through this, make a note of some of the vocab that I've highlighted, and then we're going to have to try the questions on the next page. So we'll have a look at that in a second, okay? So first I'm just going to read through. The first thing is I'm just going to read through a few parts of it, okay? So, hola, ¿qué tal todo? How is everything going? En este correo voy a hablar de mis vacaciones. I'm going to talk about my holidays. Por supuesto, me chifla. So me chifla here means I really like it. It's really cool. I really love it. El verano porque puedo dormir hasta. I can sleep until late. Y pasar más tiempo con mis amigos. Spend more time with my friends y mi familia and my family. Durante las vacaciones, during the holidays de verano, the summer, suelo levantarme. I usually do something. So I usually get up sobre las 10 o las 11, so at a 10 or 11. Por la mañana, so in the morning, ayudo en casa. I help out at home. Por la tarde, salgo con mis amigos. If I go out with my friends. Now, this C here, so C with an accent is yes. C without an accent means if. So si hace buen tiempo. If the weather is good, vamos al parque, we go to the park, o la piscina, or the pool. Once you want to highlight this, de vez en cuando. De vez en cuando means sometimes or from time to time. Vamos al cine o de compras. We go to the cinema or shopping. Al centro comercial, cerca de mi casa, in the shopping center close to my house. En agosto, in August, siempre voy de vacaciones con mi familia. In August, I always go on holidays with my family. Normalmente vamos a la costa en el sur de España, cerca de Málaga. So normally go to the coast in the south of Spain, close to Málaga. Me encanta, I love, pasar las vacaciones allí, there. Once you that allí, A-L-L-I, that means there, T-H-E-R-E. Porque hay mucho que hacer y ver. There's much to see and do. Pasamos la mayoría del tiempo. So here that means the majority of time. Yeah, majority of time. En la playa, porque mis padres les gusta tomar el sol y leer. So my parents like to tomar el sol, sunbathe, and read. Me encanta la playa. I love the beach. Me baño en el mar. I swim in the sea. Practico deportes acuáticos. Make a note of that. That's your water sports. Y hago castillos de arena. I make sandcastles con mi hermana pequeña, with my small or younger sister. Por la noche, cenamos, so at nighttime, cenamos en algún restaurante de verano. ¿Sales mucho con tus amigos? So what do you do during the summer holidays? Do you go out with your friends? ¿Tienes que ayudar en casa? Do you have to help out at home? ¿Sueles ir de vacaciones con tu familia? Do you usually go on holidays with your family? Tengo mucha suerte, says I'm really lucky. So just make a note of that. Iré, here's your future tenses now. I will go de vacaciones a Irlanda con mi familia. Vamos a pasar 2 semanas en el condado de Kerry. Condado here means county. Todo el mundo dice, so everybody says that, el paisaje de la región y las playas son preciosas. So the countryside and las playas they're gorgeous. They're really amazing. Okay. Nos alojaremos. That's another future tense there with our EMOS. En la casa. So we will stay en la casa de una amiga de mi madre. So we'll stay in the house of my mom's friend, que tiene un hijo de la misma edad que yo, who has a son who's the same age as me. Será fantástico. It will be fantastic. Pasaré mucho tiempo con él y practicaré inglés todos los días. So I'll spend lots of time with him and I will practice my English todos los días every day. Tengo muchas ganas de. So here's this, I really want to. Probar nuevos platos when you want to try new dishes. Como el estofado irlandés, Irish stew. Lo bueno de Irlanda es que hace mucho calor. Que no hace. It doesn't rain en verano. Durante el verano en España, so during summer in Spain, las temperaturas son muy altas. Y no me gusta tanto. tanto calor, so I don't really like that much heat. Tanto is so much or that much, okay? Si hace buen tiempo, practicaremos. There's our future tense again. Deportes acuáticos. So like water sports. Y haremos una excursión en bicicleta. And we'll do a bike trip. Excursión is a trip. Me gustaría ir de compras porque quiero comprar recuerdos. I want to buy souvenirs. Recuerdos es souvenir para todos mis amigos en España. For all my friends in Spain. ¿Irás de vacaciones este verano? Will you go on holidays this summer? ¿Qué vas a hacer durante las vacaciones? What are you going to do? Tengo muchas ganas de recibir tu próximo correo electrónico. I really want to, or I'm really looking forward to your next email. Okay? Para saber tus planes para las vacaciones. To know your plans for the summer. Escríbeme pronto. Un abrazo, Gabriela. So write to me soon, Gabriela. Okay, so there's a load of vocab in that. So just make a note of the vocab, okay? Just make a note of that vocab. There's anything I've highlighted in amarilla and yellow and amarillo. So highlight, put that into your copy. And then I want you to try as well these questions here on Página 140, page 140, okay? So have a look at this 1 to 9, answer them in English, and then you're going to look for those 10 words in Spanish. Find the Spanish for the following. So I've kind of gone through nearly all of them. Is that okay? So just what I want you to try is try this email, read through it, make note of the vocab, and try these questions 1 to 10. Is that okay? And if you still haven't got your email done, please send it to me, okay? Muchas gracias, chicas.